Good morning everybody. So welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about the assignment of one more assignment of management of natural resources. As it is, let us go one by one. So the first question here is, the pH of water is something that can easily be checked using dash, and here the answer is universal indicator. Universal indicator. That means, so the indicator which is made from all the synthetic materials which can be able to check both acidic and nature basic component of the water, so that water pH of water can be identified and checked with the help of the synthetic indicator that we call it as universal indicator. So universal indicator is the answer for the first question. So let us go for the second question. Second question is the 3 R's save the dash. The 3 R's save the dash. As we know that the 3 R's. Let us go for the one more question we have based on that. 3 R's save the environment. 3 R's save the environment. Okay, that's the second question. Let us go for the third question. The third question here is, what are 3 R's? 3 R's. Here 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. So these are the 3 R's. Okay. So 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. So next, let's go to the next question, fourth question. Dash means that you use less. That means the natural resources especially we will use less, that we call it as reduce. Reduce means the fourth question answer here is reduce. That means we will reduce the use of natural resources so that we can keep them even for the future use also. In such a way we can sustain the natural resources. So that is about the fourth question. Let us go for the next fifth question. Fifth question here is, what does recycle means? Recycle, as the name itself tells us, recycle. That means, so here the materials like plastic, glass, paper, all that will be collected and that will be made once again. So that we call it as recycle. That means we will collect all the materials like glass, paper, metals and all that. No? So these will be made once again by using the required materials, by following a procedure. We will recycle and we will use it once again. That we call it as recycle. Okay. The next question here is, sixth question is, what is done during recycle? As in general, as we know that for recycling things we have to collect the materials. We have to, especially when we go for plastics. In the plastic there are two types of plastics are there. One is thermoplastic and the other one is thermosetting plastic. And actually thermoplastics only we can go for recycling. So what we have to do here is, we have to collect the materials, not only the plastic like paper, metals and all that, we have to collect and we have to send it for this one, recycling. Okay, that means procedure. So here first we have to collect and also we have to separate the materials according to the things what we are going for the recycling. So answer here is, we have to collect and also we have to separate the materials and we have to send it for the processing. So that is, we call it as separation, and also we go for that, we will go for recycling. So that's about sixth question. Seventh question is, dash is actually even better than recycling. As we know that now, so here the reuse is better than reuse. Reuse is better than recycling because for the recycling it takes some amount of energy and also time. That is why, so reuse is better than the recycling and also reduce. Okay. So the next question here is 8th question. Why is reuse better than recycle? That's what same thing I said, no? So reuse is better than recycle because for the recycling it needs energy. It needs extra energy and also time. It needs energy and also time. Mainly it needs extra energy. That is why reuse is better than recycle. And the next question here is, the concept of dash encourages form of growth that meet the basic human needs. That means sustainable development. Answer here is sustainable development. Sustainable development. That means, as we know, when we are using the natural resources, we have to keep in mind that to a limited extent only we have to use the natural resources, so that we call it as sustainable, keeping the future generation in mind and also future use in mind. We have to use this natural resources, that we call it as sustainable development. Okay, the last question, how is sustainable development possible in our society? That means what we have to do is we have to create the awareness programs. In general, awareness programs we have to create related to what happens when we keep using the natural resources continuously. No? So what happens, what may happen in the future, all that we have to create awareness among people so that we can keep the natural resources for even for the future use also. So that we call it as sustainable development. So totally we have to, being educated people, we also should be aware of it, and we have to create awareness among the local people also. So that is about the last question. So this is about today's assignment. I think you understood. Thank you very much.